All right, welcome YouTube. Hey, first of all, thank you guys. Merry Christmas to each one of you and your families. I want to say that for myself and from the entire Credit Game family. We just appreciate you guys being part of our organization, being part of our team. We consider you family. We really do. And, you know, that's why I've been giving away something, right? Just an incentive to help out people and families. You know, I'm doing a huge giveaway for homeless people and for the children that do not have presents. We're going to be doing a small charity to give away to families and children that don't have Christmas like most of us do each and every year. So first of all, I want to thank you for being part of our channel. It means the world to us that you subscribe, you like, you thank, you know, all the beautiful comments and just the amazing support. So first of all, I want to thank you for that. And so each day, as you know, I give away, starting from the 10th day of Christmas all the way down to the first day of Christmas, I give away something as an incentive, as me giving back, a thanks, right? This is a time of giving back. It's not a time about it being stingy. I've never been stingy. I never want to be the person with the 850 credit score and nobody else wins, right? I never want to be the one that's financially secure and everybody else is struggling. That's not my life. My life is about giving back, which is why I do these videos every single day. As you know, if you've been following me for any length of period of time, you know that I don't miss a day ever, okay? I've been doing this for years. Every day I'm providing value so you can have a better credit score, so that you can have incentive to better your family and to have a better life, right? With credit, you can change everything, right? And I know that's hard to believe if you've never really had great credit. And so it's you've been living with credit so long that's been bad that you don't really understand what it's like to have great credit. And so can you imagine being able to go to a dealership and get whatever you want, whenever you want? And not only that, you walk in and they say to you, hey, pick any car you want. That, my friends, is phenomenal. That is a feeling that is nothing like anything else. How about this one? How would you like to know that every time you apply for a credit card online, or you go in person, right, you're at a store, and you know 100% without a shadow of a doubt that you're going to get approved? How does that feel? That's what I'm talking about, right? To have the best, absolute, literally, like, how about going this? Hey, I want to buy my first home. And you don't have to struggle and sweat it out. Am I going to get approved? Am I going to get approved? Right? You know, it's a no, not a think. That's what having great credit does. On top of that, let's talk about starting a business. Let's talk about getting into a better apartment because you're in a bad area. Let's talk about, you know, financing, getting a loan. Maybe you don't want a loan. Maybe you're like, hey, I want a loan, right? But not only that, because guys, you can do that at a 550, 600 credit score, some of it. But you know what's going to happen? You're going to be paying like literally god-awful amounts down just to get approved. Then you're sweating it out, and then your interest rate's terrible, right? I got people that are like, I'm blessed. I got my car. I got my 2000 Ford Escort, right? I'm paying $625 a month. I had to put $3,000 down. I'm like, dude, you put $3,000 down and you're $625 a month for a 2000 Ford Escort? That's not blessed. It's blessed to be alive, right? To be able to put blessed, because it means you woke up on the other side of the dirt. But that's not blessed. That's being taken advantage of. And you're just happy that you got the car. But why? Why are you guys just settling? Anyway, here's the deal. What I have to offer is the solution to your problem. If your credit score is under 800, I have the solution. There's nobody else that does guarantees. There's nobody else that backs up what they talk about. And there's nobody else that's got a program, because I'm the first ever person that created the Credit Game program. This program is for you. Trust me, if your credit score is under 800, I've got something for everybody. I don't care. I've dealt with people with a 410 credit score all the way up to an 847. It does not matter. I've got a program for you. That's why I put it together. The reality is I put it together for me, not you. I built the Credit Game for me, and now I just want to share it with the world because I want to bless people back what's happened to me. I've been over the 820s for the last 7 years straight. And I don't plan on ever going the other way because I know what to do. I know the game. But also, you know what? When I walk into a dealership and I'm like, hey, I want a Lambo, I want a Ferrari, whatever I want, I get it. I don't have to worry, am I going to get approved? If I want a $50,000 credit card, I go get it. I already have multiple of them. I don't want another one. If I want a loan for $1 million, guess what? I go into the bank and I say, hey, I need $1 million. That's what I want. This is what I'm talking about, guys. You can do and live life on financial, like be financially free, guys. All this, I can't get credit cards. Or you guys got the little baby boys, right? We talked about this. You guys got the little Capital One. You guys know who you're talking. I got the little Capital One card, right? I had the little My Jewelers primary on there. I added the rent reporters on there, rental karma on there, and I got the Credit One Bank. Dude, that baby cards. Baby cards, guys. How about living life like as an adult, man? Get some real stuff. How do you get real stuff, though? You got to get in the game. Nobody's going to get in the game but you. The people that get in the game is why I have 500 5-star reviews. That's the people that actually took the time to do it for me and put a review. That's called getting in the game and providing for your family. How do you even go home and talk to your family and say, look, like, how do you make sense of that? I got a 520 credit score. Like, how does your wife or husband even, like, accept you in their house? Because they've made sense of it. That's why. You guys been living with credit so bad that you're making sense of having a bad credit score. The only way you're going to get out of this mess is to make a phone call today. And I'm going to tell you something. I've got good news for you. Believe me. This video is about good news now, okay? Today's the 7th day. So on the 7th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me the gift that continues to give back under the tree. What's he doing? This is the gift that continues to give. No, guys, I'm not talking about the H word. I'm not talking about the one that's on your lip or down there, okay? That's not the gift that keeps on giving. I'm talking about the gift that keeps on giving. That means great credit. So here's what I'm going to do for you guys, okay? I'm doing 7 spots as soon as you watch this video, and they're going to go by literally that fast. Ready? Any program, whether it's associates, bachelor's, master's, elite edition, automation, PhD, or doctorate, I will duplicate it for someone special in your life. Let me explain. If you get the associates program, I'm going to give one to a family member, absolutely free. Everything that comes with it, duplicate times 2. You can give it to a husband, you can give it to a wife, you can give it to a boyfriend, girlfriend, fiance, you can give it to your best friend. It is a gift for Christmas to somebody else. And I am giving it to you absolutely free with purchase of any one of my programs. So if you get the associates, I'm doubling it for you today. This is the special of all specials, guys. It doesn't get any better than this. Buy one, I give you one for someone special in your life. That could be a friend, like I said, husband, wife, I don't care. I want to give back. This is how we duplicate on the 7th day of Christmas. I give one away for free today. Free with any of my programs. So if you get the associates, you buy the associates, you're getting another one of the associates for someone else. You get a bachelor's, I'm giving it to somebody else. Your pick, your choice. You tell me who you want me to give it to, and it's theirs. That is the gift of all gifts that you can give somebody for Christmas. Because this comes with 3 services in one. Number 1, they're going to get the entire education platform, which is what I built for me. Remember, the credit game was built exactly for me. Proprietary letters, everything you want, literally, is inside the associate's program or bachelor's program for business credit, okay? Now, second service, you guys are getting elite credit repair, okay? The elite credit repair is the fastest credit repair on the planet. And today, because I'm giving you 2, you will get one for yourself, and you can give it away, another one, to somebody else. They will get elite credit repair as well. And number 3, you guys are going to get 50% off of Tradelines, off competitor prices. 50, not 5. 50% off, half off Tradelines. Age Tradelines, half off today, only for the first 7 callers. That's why it's the 7th day of Christmas. I'm doing 7 people to get this deal. Buy one, get one, give it away to somebody else, and tell them Merry Christmas. I'm telling you something. This will be the best gift that you will ever give yourself and give a family member in life. I'm telling you this. There's no materialistic thing. If you said, hey, I'm buying you a Ferrari, it's not as powerful as this. This is a life changer, guys. Life changer. Put somebody in a completely different position. And I said this earlier. It's the gift that keeps on giving. They can continue to build off of it, get credit cards, get loans, get a nicer vehicle, get into an apartment. Same thing for you, right? Buy one, get one today for the 7th caller, 6th caller, 5th caller, 4th caller, 3rd, 2nd, and 1st. Starts now. If you call me right now, I'm telling you, as soon as this video goes out, it's going to go viral and people are going to be calling in to get it. So call in right away to get the deal and say, I just watched Mike on the 7th day of Christmas and I want the BOGO. That's what you need to say so they know that you're calling in from the video. That's the only way you're going to get it. Just say, 7th day of Christmas, special. And they will take care of you. God bless each and every one of you guys. I love you guys like crazy. I want to help you. That's why I'm giving back today. It's my turn to give back to the world, and I'm going to do that for you and a family member. 904-420-7772. Get your results in 60 days and give it away for free to somebody else that you love. Take care. I'll talk to you in a few minutes. 904-420-7772. 904-420-7772. This is the gift of all gifts. I'll talk to you in a few minutes. Take care.